Computer Application, Chapter 4, Introduction to Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, is one of the important server-side web and general-purpose scripting language. It is very simple and lightweight open source services server-side scripting language. It can easily embedded with HTML and other client-side scripting language like CSS, cascading style sheet and JavaScript. It also creates dynamic and interactive web page in the real-time web development project. Client-server architect. In the evaluation of network architect, various critical network-related problems and getting resolved by client-server architect model. The client-server architect introduced application sharing mechanism between two different hardware systems over the network. Client-server architect model. Client-server is classified into three types as follows: single-tier architect, two-tier architect, N multi-three-tier architect. Database, network database, client, two clients is having. This is the client-server architect model. Single-trie architect is used for the server access by client. The client application run inside the server machine itself. This acts as a single layer interaction. Two-tier architect. This architect is used for a server access by client, has two-layer interactions such as client layer is try 1 and server layer is try 2. Multi or three-tier architect. This architect is used for the server accessed by client through more than one layer interaction. The programmer could decide the count of business logic layer according to the software requirement. That is the reason this model is also known as multi three-tier architect. Web development concept. Web development concept described in detail about website development and hosting through network. The process of development also include web content generation, web page designing, website security and so on. PHP script work, PHP syntax, embedded PHP in HTML, variable in PHP, PHP data type, operators in PHP. Basic rules of variable declaration. Variable name must always begin with a star symbol. Variable name can never start with a number. Variable name are case sensitive. PHP data type. PHP scripting language support 13 primitive data type. Data type plays important role in all programming languages to classify the data according to the logic. PHP support the following data type: string, integer, float, boolean, array, object, null and resource. Operators in PHP. Operation is a symbol which is used to perform mathematical and logical operations in the programming language. Different types of operators in PHP. Arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, increment and decrement operator, logical operator, string operator. All of them understood, children? Thank you, children.